Welcome back to Instables, everyone. I hope you guys are having a blessed weekend. I'm going to go over exactly what our intraday swing and long perspective is here. Where exactly are we headed as we are leading into Powell speaking on Wednesday with our next Fed rate hike with our 20, just looking to see if we can cross from bearish momentum into bullish momentum. What exactly are we looking for to give us that confirmation to continue on higher here? I'm going to go over all this with you guys. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news that we watch every single day in the Instables room, any breakout that is worth looking at throughout the day. If you guys are market prepping, this is what we mentioned every single day in the Instables room. Go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on the SPY again, as we did follow again our morning star with a pullback here, our doji candle following and then opening and closing above our doji candle, giving us a morning star here. Again, rejecting the upper end of our prior sell-off that we had just before Powell spoke. Again, Powell speaking, mentioning that unemployment wasn't exactly as high as we did need. We did have, again, our initial jobless claims that came out a couple days ago on Thursday. So now as we do watch our 20-day, just looking to see if we can cross above our 50, looking to see if we will retest. Very much looking forward to that possible retest for that possible bullish case scenario and follow through on an engulfing candle. This is what we'll be looking for. Now, looking at our swing trade perspective, looking at our weekly chart, as you guys can see, we did close the week finally above the upper end of our channel here, looking for that continuation on strength. Again, we still have our 20 weekly moving average below our 50 weekly moving average, giving us that possible bearish case scenario still, but again, with closing on the upper end of our channel here on our weekly chart, that's a lot of strength here. So again, we're looking to see if we will continue on with this strength with our 20 weekly moving average crossing above our 50 weekly moving average. We will be looking for that proof of concept again to continue on higher on our weekly chart as well. Again, if you're looking at our MACD here on our weekly chart, we do like how strong this has been looking. And as you guys can see, we have been pointing up here with our EMA lines just below the median of our MACD, looking to see if we can get our 26 to follow. With our 12 is what we're looking for. There are possible bearish case scenarios where our 12 crosses just before our 26 can cross above the median MACD, and then we do continue on lower on a possible bearish case scenario, and that would be that possible major sell-off that Powell could give us next week. That's why our 26, in my opinion, is slightly lagging. We will see exactly what happens leading into next week. In my opinion, we're due for some type of cool-off to look for that momentum going into next week. Again, that possible white shaded candle, and then looking for confirmation on continuations with strength since we do have our EMA lines, just looking to see if we can continue on higher. In my opinion, if we did have that pullback, I would be looking for, in my opinion, after Powell spoke, if we had that sell-off again, I would be looking for at least that bounce intraday here at 400, by the way. So again, keeping that in mind. And as you guys can see here on the monthly chart, looking at our long perspective, as you guys can see, we are above our 50 monthly moving average, looking to see if we can, again, close another candle going into next month above the upper end of our channel to possibly continue on higher. We will need to respect our 20 monthly moving average to continue on with better candle setups on our monthly chart. And in my opinion, we would get more of that confirmation after here on the MACD. On our monthly chart, we need our 12 to cross back above our 26 here, as we still are above the median of our MACD on the monthly chart. We do want to see that continuation with our EMA line starting to curl up into next week for that possible bullish case scenario and continuing on higher here in the market. Again, when we did cross lower here, just keeping this in mind, longs are patient here, just making sure that you get confirmation with Powell and also with earnings coming up, that major sell-off that we had again when we crossed lower, looking for that shift in momentum overall as far as longs go. But again, short term, yes, a very nice spike. We are testing our 410 level. We will see exactly what Powell mentions. If he happens to do the unthinkable and possibly ignore the markets and mention that we're not exactly where we need to be, we'll see exactly what he did mention. Now, again, with that said, again, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for very volatile breakouts, we mentioned pre-market news 2.5 hours before market open, the best pre-market data that you want to be watching before market open every single day, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you Instables, I appreciate every one of you guys. We're going to continue to go at it. Stay patient. Take what the market gives us, as we do have Powell speaking on Wednesday. Again, a nice spike, a nice continuation that we had here on the upper end of our channel. Looking for this possible continuation as our 20-day does cross above our 50 is exactly what we're going to be looking for. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all. And I'll see you guys in the next video.